The controversial musician turned politician Energy Mutodi, who is the ZANU-PF MP for Bigita South, is confirmed the authenticity of a leaked draft motion proposing changes to presidential, parliamentary, and local authority term limits in Zimbabwe. Sanapana mashuka kuti Energy Mutodi kana makambona maletters atikaburitsa nezuro akalika aiwa akanyogwa nana Energy Mutodi vachiextenda provisions at the constitution. Panapa oya achiwirirana nawo achiti those letters ndeyechokwadi. Sanapana mashuka anodanyogwa panapa noti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa pahendo ine andamudanyira achiti the motion, which is still in its formative stages, seeks to amend the country's constitution to extend the presidency term by up to 5 years, effectively allowing Edem Nangagwa to remain in office beyond his constitutional limits until 2030. The motion proposes changes to sections 95, 91, 143, and 328 of the Constitution, which relates to presidential and parliamentary terms, as well as extension of local authority terms. Mutodi stated that due processes will be followed in accordance with the standing rules and orders of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, leading to a properly approved motion. He also acknowledged that the delay was likely due to online exchanges between MPs during the draft motion's formative stages. It has come to our attention that a proposed motion on presidential, parliamentary, and local government term limits has been ultimately leaked to the media, Mutodi stated. While we confirm authenticity of the contents of the proposed draft motion, we wanted to reiterate that until signed by its proponents and approved by Honorable Speaker of Parliament Jacob Mutenda, it remains a draft and a work in progress. Tomashukana kuda nyumba panapa vanhu vachiona kuti aiwa hakuna kwatiri kuenda nevakomana veopposition ave kwasangiso chabangu zvatikuona kuti vakomana ava kukrafta nekuronga kwavari kuita ne the ruling party ZANU-PF vangoratidza kuti vanhu vamwe chete. Tudze mafungiro enyu nokudii pamusoro pekuata maina wako development nefreedom nyika yeZimbabwe. Pinda comment section yedu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.